Jonathan Lederman from LSS Law, and today I want to answer the question of what is a garnishment? There are basically two types of garnishments, which is a post-judgment collection activity that someone that has a judgment against you can take. The first type is a continuing writ of garnishment against your salary or wages, which means that every time you get a paycheck from your employer, up to 25% of your pay can be withheld as a payroll deduction and given to the judgment creditor until their judgment is satisfied. Very scary stuff. The other type is a garnishment against your bank accounts, where all your money in your bank accounts can be frozen pending the court saying whether those funds should be given to your creditor. So your bank accounts can be completely wiped out unless you do something. There are a number of exemptions that you can claim to prevent either of these types of garnishments. You won't prevent the garnishment from being initiated in and of itself. The defense is something that you claim after the fact, and if you prove them, then the garnishments will be undone. Most notably, someone's wages could be protected from garnishment if you qualify under the Florida's head of family wage exemption. Now, this is a very complicated thing, but again, it just takes action on your part when you receive notice of either of these two types of garnishments in the mail. If you would like to sit down with myself or one of the other experienced bankruptcy attorneys in my office to have a full-fledged bankruptcy strategy session in which we will sit down with you and discuss your goals and your options both in and out of bankruptcy and help you make a very informed decision that's best for yourself and your family, please contact our office as soon as possible to schedule that. If you're not quite ready for that step and you would simply like access to some of our additional resources, or you would like to watch some other videos in which I answer additional frequently asked questions, you can gain access to those through the links below. Please remember, doing nothing changes nothing. This is extremely applicable to the garnishment situation. You could have defenses, and if you do nothing, you could be giving away money unnecessarily. So I implore you to just simply take some sort of action. Doing nothing is really a decision, and a poor one at that. And in this case, it could be very costly. We're here, ready, willing, and able to help. Just pick up the phone.